Let's find caches along a route next on Discover Geocaching. You might be going on vacation or taking a road trip and you want to find the caches along your route. Well, let's get started. It's a premium member feature, so you have to be a premium member to do this. So let's go to the computer. Okay, so let's get started by clicking on your caching name on the top of the screen, and then scrolling down and looking for this right here under Premium Tools. You want User Routes. Click on that. Then here you'll find user routes near your trip. So you can search by keyword right here if you'd like to. You can search for existing routes. You can look down here, what are the random route of the moment right in here. But for us, we're going to create our own route. So let's go up to the tab that says Create New Route. So we enter a route name. And click Create Route. So now you just put in where you're going to go from and to. In this case, just as an example, Alamo, Nevada to Rachel, Nevada, and click Search. And it shows you the route from Alamo to Rachel. So it looks good. Let's click Save Changes. And now you can come in here and you can put a description that says caches from Alamo to Rachel. You can put in some keywords if you plan on maybe making this a public route. But for now, let's just go ahead and not include any keywords. You can make this, the way you make this public is by clicking this box right here. But we're going to keep it private for right now. And we'll click on Save Route. All right, now go up to this tab, which is Your Created Routes. Click on that. And here is Alamo to Rachel, the one we just created. And you can come over here to the right and click Create Pocket Query. And it will start the pocket query. As you can see, the radius is a little bit much. We just want to bring it back down to maybe like a half a mile off the road. And let's just do 1,000 caches on either side of the road. You can do whatever you like at this point. So I'm going to do this a one time. So today is Thursday, so I'll click on Thursday and then run this query once, then delete it. You can use these other options if they work out better for you. We can come down here and use any cache type, any container type, and if you want to get rid of the caches that are disabled, you can do that, or any of these options that are found in here. We'll just go with these and come down, and I always like to include the pocket query name in the download file, and you can submit information. Once you've done that, the nice thing about this is immediately you can come over here and preview your search here. So let's click, you can preview the search here. And here are all the caches that just fit our cache along the route. Let's go up to Map This Location. And it takes us to that location and it shows us all of the caches that qualified in our pocket query. So down here is Alamo. Up here is Rachel. And as you can tell, yes, this is the extraterrestrial highway where they have thousands of caches. And you can come in here and take a look at the caches along your route. So that's the cache along the route feature. Remember, it's a premium feature, so you will have to be a premium member. But it's well worth it to be a premium member. $30 a year is a great price for this great hobby of ours. So thank you. I've had fun, and I hope you have too. Just remember to go out there and discover geocaching.